I like to work outside. I like to gather food. So I've figured out that I'm a hunter-gatherer. That's what I am. Now I do gardening and making syrup and providing for yourself and your friends, and that's what I enjoy doing. And I started pretty hard in 1970. That's what I did, pick rice and trap. Pretty much the same thing for the last 46 years. Yeah. I still like doing it. Sometimes when the rice is a little wormy, the first pick is not so good, but you get the worms gathered also, and the next pick is good, or better. So picking the rice is good for it. Gets it in the water, gets the rice worms cleaned up a bit. Usually in the lake, the river, there is a surplus of seed. Not all of it germinates each year. Some of it will stay in reserve. If something happens one year, then it'll still be rice seed in the water for next year. I believe that rice can stay in a bed without being successful for 10 years. So there's quite a seed bank in the water. Mostly what we're trying to do is reestablish the rice beds in the old traditional lakes. Evidently, once upon a time it grew all north to south, to Mississippi east. Some of it goes for seeds, gets replanted somewhere else, starts a new bed, hopefully. That's pretty important. It's a good time, lots of work, and lots of wildlife out there. Lately it's been harriers and some sharp shins that work on the blackbirds. The harriers will fly over the rice low, and the other hawks will be perched in a tree someplace, hiding until the right time. Yeah, it piles up in the boat. That's your food for the winter and makes life worth living. It comes every year, it doesn't last too long, 3-4 weeks and you're done. Maybe 5 weeks, and then on to the next project, whatever that may be. Getting the garden in, hunting a few ducks and birds, and putting up some firewood, cutting some boughs, and one thing after the other.